back to the wheel arch again, just marking a few things out, getting it ready to be trimmed down. And I've also started to make myself a paper template of the cab floor section that I cut out last time. Just a little bit too far gone now. So I've wrapped it up in masking tape, and the idea being that I'll take that template off of there, transfer it to new sheet metal and get it cut out. So I've got my pattern for the cab floor section. Now what I've just done is marked out the lines of actually where I'm going to bend it. So this portion I'll use the metal brake and I'll bend it up at that angle, and then the rest of it will just be a case of using the mallet and the sandbag and getting it in around this section and bending it inwards. So that's that job done, and you've got to remember that it's only been hand tools that I've been using, and that's a real good fit now. Just taking out some of the worst hammer marks and it's ready to go in. That's the next part of the puzzle now cut to shape. Just got to punch the holes in it, get it put in.